Let's see. So now with this top, I'm going to smooth and blend this into the top part of my twist. There we go. Tuck the ends in. Pin in place. And this is kind of the little modern twist that I like to put on a classic French roll, is to kind of create something that's a little bit fun on the top. So now that I have the back of my French twist secured, I'm going to move into blending in the front and the sides to my look. So I'm starting off with the sides. So now I'm going to take my side and pin it into my roll. Opening my pin, securing it there, and then go through and using my hairpins to pin it in place. And see how I just hid my pin? I took a section of hair and pulled it up and over my bobby pin just to hide that in there. So now